guys, it's Tina. I'm a professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how to apply mascara like a pro. This is not about what mascara you're using, it's about the technique of how you apply it. So obviously there are different types of mascaras out there. They all have different purposes. Some are lengthening, some are thickening, some are separating. But today I just want you to grab your favorite current mascara that you're currently using on a daily basis. And I'll be using the same mascara on both eyes and show you the regular or wrong way, the common way that people apply it, as opposed to the right way or correct way to get the most out of your mascara no matter what it is. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original in Black is Black. I just got it on Amazon. I'll link it down below in case you're interested, but once again, it's not about the mascara, it's about the technique. I do have a video like that already on my channel, but I have 4 reasons why I wanted to recreate it. 1, it's old. 2, it's very blurry and bad quality, and now I have a way better camera, so I wanted to recreate it in a better quality. 3, I'm constantly out of frame in that video, so in this video I'm trying to stay in frame so that you can actually see what I'm doing. And 4, my accent there is kind of funny, and now my English is better, so let's try that again. So on this eye, I'm going to be showing you how I recommend doing it, and on this eye I'm just going to do it normally like we usually would do, the wrong side and the right side, if you will. So on the wrong side, I'm just gonna be doing it as I usually would do on days that I'm in a hurry, the way that most people do. They just go from however close they can reach to their lashes like this, starting kind of like the inner third, I guess, and out just regularly. I don't even know how to describe this way. As you normally would. Probably we're gonna get some mascara on our eyelid either way on both sides, so you can just remove that, and then bottom lashes regularly as well, maybe wiggling it back and forth a little bit. Bam, mascara done. We can see it's a little clumpy, we can see it's a little uneven, we have some little dots in some areas, but mainly that's what it looks like. Now on the correct side, or on the side that I would recommend, I first of all am going to line the very root of my lash line and my upper lash line just a little bit with a very, very thin line. That is going to emphasize the root of the lash line, the base, and it's going to make the base of the lashes look thicker, and that way makes the lashes look thicker and darker. So for that, I'm just going to be using a black liner. This is the Galactic Longwear Eye Gel Eyeliner in Pure Black. I'm going to be taking that on a tiny little eyeliner brush. This is the Sigma Winged Liner E06. I'm going to be applying it just like this, by going straight from the pencil on the brush, and then with this very, very small tiny liner brush, I'm going to be touching mainly the outer half of my upper lash line, but very, very close to the lashes. Now you can also tightline the inner rim on the inside of your lashes. I'm just gonna skip that today because sometimes it transfers to the bottom lash line depending on how water resistant and how fast drying the eyeliner is. But just for now, I'm just going to do the upper lashes. So I'm going very, very close to the root, almost touching my actual lashes. Now, this is one of those pencils who dry pretty fast, so while I was talking, it kind of dried. Let me reapply it. Touching the lashes on the very, very root on the outer half. The reason I'm not applying it straight from the liner is to be a little more precise. Like this. You can even wing it just a little bit on the other edge to kind of create an effect of another lash, a little flare on the outer edge, a little cat eye, if you will. Next, on the correct eye, I'm going to be curling my lashes. This is just the e.l.f. eyelash curler. I'm going to go with the very base, as close as the eye that I can without, you know, poking my eye or hurting myself. This is going to help lift them up, perk them up, and make them look a little longer. Now with the same mascara, what I'm going to be doing on this eye is taking it from the very root of the eye. Once again, trying not poking myself in the eye, obviously. Very carefully go as close as you can to your eyeball for the root of the lashes, and then I'm gonna wiggle it back and forth in this motion and go upwards, just like that. So I'm gonna go from here wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And as I do it, I'm going to be slowly closing my eye. So I'm starting with my eye open, and then I'm going slowly closing it as I'm wiggling it upwards. Like this. This helps coating every single lash line in between, as opposed to clumping, make a few lashes clump together like we got here. This is going to actually help separate them and coat every single lash individually with the mascara. And now I'm going to be doing the same wiggle motion downwards on my bottom lashes. Now I'm just going to let it dry for about a minute. Once it's dry, I'm going to do the same thing again with another coat on top of it. But only on the top lashes. I'm going to leave the bottom lashes as is because I feel like it can be a little too overwhelming, a little too doll eyes if I do it on the bottom lashes as well, unless that's the look you're going for. Next, I'm going to be taking my mascara and go only on the very tips of the lashes. The very tips of the lashes normally are the thinnest and lightest in color. Even if your lashes are black like mine, the tips of them are very thin and almost invisible. They're almost like more light in color, so that if we build the mascara on top of just the tips of the lashes, this elongates the lashes even more because the mascara clings on the very tips of the lashes that are very thin, and that way creates an illusion of a longer lash line. So I'm only going over the tips. Just like this. And for the last step, I'm going to be taking a spoolie brush, just a clean spoolie, and I'm going to go and wiggle just like I did with the mascara wand, but with a clean brush. This is going to separate the lashes even further more. It also helps removing any clumps as well. So I just zoomed you in and I removed with a Q-tip and some makeup remover any mascara that I got on my skin around the eyes on both sides so that you can see the result better. Now, as much as I'm calling it the right and wrong, this is just for the purpose of the video. Obviously, if you like this eye better and this is the look that you're going for, then totally go for it. But this is just the way that I like doing it, and I feel like it emphasizes and elongates the lashes more, and that's how you can get the best out of your mascara. Let me know what you think and if you liked it. If you're going to be trying this out, try to do the regular way that you apply mascara on one eye and then the techniques I'm showing in this video on the other eye. Take a picture of yourself, upload it to Instagram, and tag me, MakeupAndArtFreak_, and I'm going to share this on my Instagram stories if you'd like, of course, with your permission. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. I have a brand new page, MakeupAndArtFreak_. The link is in the bio. Let me know if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe because I would love to see you here on my next video.